summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall beyond.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday. I'm starting the vlog today. Late morning today. In the days that I have to, I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to go measure sites, or I don't have meetings, for example. Those are not my days that are not my meeting days. I don't put on makeup at all, because why would I do that? So right now we're gonna go to the office. We're gonna start working because I have to start looking for some things for my parents, first of all, because they want to come, and right now is the day, today is the day that I have to buy these things. So yeah, now the outfit is a pair of jeans and my slippers because I'm home. To the office. So this is the office. These are things that I haven't shown in this channel. So this is my whole office. It's a disaster right now because I was working on the weekend, and over here I just have different things that I've been using. This is a gift. I don't even know why it's here. Here I have some small collection of catalogs, you know, for my interior design projects and furniture and stuff. Catalogs here, samples there, samples here. I'm doing this presentation for an upcoming presentation that I have for a client. It's a house, an apartment in the capital, and so that means that this project is completely online. And I've been doing some mood boards here. I've been doing some, you know, sections, and I've been working with this, you know, is the model from Asana, and my calendar. So I usually have all the things that I have to do in the week, and I keep adding them in the days coming, and I have just different things. And also I have my Asana, and I have everything by project, so things that I have to, you know, do or that I'm missing still. I finished what I had to finish in time. Actually, it was really good. I finished the presentation. I text 3 clients now. One is to just check out what were the updates in their apartment. Project is in 2 cities. Project is 2 hours away in another city. So I text my client from Bucharest, which is online, to see if she can meet tomorrow. So we can't meet tomorrow. We're gonna meet tomorrow at 7. And I text my other client, which is a commercial project, which is an optica, an optic clinic / shop, and we're gonna see if we can meet this week. I don't know yet. So yeah, so now I'm just going to cook, but oh my god, I don't have anything, or I didn't think of anything. So I think I'm just gonna do some rice, so the thing is that I'm on a diet, lose weight, not weight, fat mostly, because we're checking how my fat levels are, because yeah, it's a whole story. I have to tell you, I have to sit down and say all of this. So many things I can eat. Technically I shouldn't be eating white rice, but I hate brown rice, so I'm just taking it as, I mean, I don't even eat rice that much now, you know, because in Panama you eat a lot of rice. Ustedes saben que nosotros comemos bastante arroz. Just, I haven't been eating rice lately because I cannot find the good kind. Oh my god, I know what I'm gonna do. So my mom, when she came to Romania, when I went actually for holidays, I brought my trusted sazón con achiote, and if you know, you know. You know? La Doña, you know, the classic. Look. All of this is mine. It's freaking gold, okay? Freaking gold. I use that one because it's half open. The best invention that I decided to buy was this. It's called a Susan something, helper Susan, lazy Susan, I don't know. Also, I made this. I don't know, I think I bought this, the art, and I just changed everything. I did it myself, and I bought this from IKEA, which is super, super useful. Deficit, and I have like certain things I have to eat and what's the amount. So for anything that is related to carbs, it has to be 150 grams. Yeah, oh my god, that's crazy. Huh, look at that amount of protein. And I know, I shouldn't be eating, watching TV, but this is what I do every day, so I'm not gonna lie to you. Not perfect. I just have to watch something, and I'm gonna watch Maniac. Once I finish eating, which is usually like, I don't know, 15 minutes, like this chapter of the series, I really try to just chill for a few minutes, because I do work more than 5, you know, I just go on and on and on and on, I never finish, because there's always something to do. And yeah, but I can't, so I just finished my meal. I'm not gonna finish the chapter, maybe I will, 15 minutes. Maybe I will just do a coffee or something, and I'll go back to work, but I still have to, you know, answer. Like, my whole day is just text and text and text. So I will just go and answer this. And yeah, just that's life. So this is the end of the day, and I'll probably see you tomorrow or in the week. So yeah, have a nice night, nice evening or morning, whenever you're looking at this, and see you tomorrow. Spent the last 3 hours trying to figure out how to fix something on my WordPress, because, well, I don't have a social media anything, no manager, no editor, nor anything. I do everything myself, like everything in my business. So I was like trying to figure out something in my template, and I couldn't for 3 hours until I finally figured it out. So now if you want to check it out, this time I will leave the information below in the description box. So I have an important meeting right now with my client. Oh, my client just arrived.
Hello.
Hello.
I am client. Hi. My name is client, not client, son.
Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Hey, I'm sorry. Do you think we're
Okay guys, so now we are going to the meeting. We're gonna meet a new client. I think she wants something to renovate her apartment. I think it's basically almost ready, but she wants to decor it. So we're gonna go see that. And yeah, I'll take you with me.
Hey, what's there to do? So many times I tried, but I just don't remember.
I figure I will finish the vlog today in this video. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of the vlog here because today is Saturday and I just arrived yesterday from that, and I went to do my hair. As you can see, I just trimmed it a little and I just colored my white hairs, and I just did some like caramel highlights, like things that I always do, and she just, you know, kept my layers and I am really loving it. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you liked it. I hope you find this interesting of my week. It's all my weeks are never the same. Why I wanted to start the vlogs, because it's, you know, that's the different part of it. If you have any questions about my job, my decisions, my life here, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And also you can follow me on Instagram. I also am gonna start sharing there because I haven't been sharing in a while. And there are a lot of things that are very exciting that are coming soon. So I hope to see you in the next vlog, and bye for now.